I share today how I make cashew milk. I will also share various benefits of using this as an alternative to regular cow or buffalo milk and even other vegan alternatives. It is not only very easy to make but is also uniquely tastier than other vegan alternatives. Hi friends, in case you are new here and are looking for healthy recipes that are delicious as well as visually appealing, then you have come to the right place. I make recipes that do not require any heating, just raw ingredients the way Mother Nature provided. That's how I have been living for over 2.5 years now. The ingredients we require for about 300 ml of cashew milks are cashews half cup, water 1.5 cup. Take the half cup of cashew and soak them in drinking water. Ensure there is adequate water to fully cover the cashews. Allow the cashews to soak in for a minimum of half hour, but if you had forgotten about it and only realized after a day, it still shouldn't matter. Rinse the cashews with fresh clean water. Take these to a high speed blender. If you do not have a high speed blender, you can use the regular one as well, but need to process it longer. Add 1.5 cups of water. You can use 3 to 5 times the cashew by their dry volume. I personally prefer 3 times. Process for 1 minute. If you prefer a very creamy texture to your milk, that's about it. We are done. And that's one advantage of cashew milk over others. But if you prefer a 100% sediment free milk, then you will need an additional step of filtering. Using a nut milk bag, I use Ellis West nut milk bag, which is expensive but a good one time investment. Or you can use a cheesecloth or any fine cotton cloth and filter the milk. A tea net will not do, that will not work. The sediment left in the filter bag can be used in your other foods or be used in composting or just thrown away. Anyway, unlike other vegan milk, in the case of cashew milk, there is hardly any residue after filtering. You can store the milk refrigerated and it should easily store for 3 to 4 days without spoiling. If you see a separation of water in the container, it does not mean it has become bad, just shake it and use. So, what is good about this? Why should we use this? For one, it's a vegan product. Other than human being, no other animal drinks milk after becoming an adult, and certainly not drinking milk from another species. Regular milk is not good for health. Many studies have suggested type 2 diabetes risk and other digestive health risks, including irritable bowel syndrome for some with cow or buffalo milk. Also, some have known lactose intolerance. This is a very good alternative to regular milk and actually helps becoming healthy. Then it has lots of healthy fats, proteins, and nutrients. Cashews, being rich in these, are good for health in several ways. The natural fats in cashew digest slowly and have a low glycemic index. They help in controlling blood sugars. With good soft fiber and several minerals, they are particularly helpful in good blood flow, clearing up the arteries and are excellent for health. Cashew milk is mildly sweet naturally. This milk is so much better in taste compared to regular milk and other vegan alternatives. While almond milk, which is among the most popular vegan milks, is good for being tasteless and odorless, cashew milk's delicate sweetness is unexplainable for taste. It is a very good replacement for regular milk. Also, if you hate filtering, this is a good choice. It will be creamy and good tasting without filtering. You can use cashew milk for coffee, milkshakes, or flavored drinks, and most other places where you use regular milk. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please click on that like button, subscribe to my channel if you haven't done already, and also do not forget to click on the notification bell icon because I post several raw food videos such as this and you may not want to miss any of them. Therefore, clicking on the bell icon and watching them will be good. Thanks for your time.